Hi there. So what do you get in the Ultimate Marketing Plan Home Study class by Rochelle Shaw? Okay, well first you get in the box, Open Me First. It's an envelope that has a special note from me. Plus it's got your Ultimate Marketing Plan Teleclass CD. Here it is right here. It's got over 6 hours worth of info on it that basically is all of the unedited content from the classes that we just completed. They were done once a week every Monday, and those that decided to join us, some of them paid up to $795 to be live on the class. So not only do you get the lecture, but you also get the live Q&A, which is fantastic on this bonus CD. You can take this, put it in your car. They are MP3 so that you can put them in your iPod. You can have them with you. Re-listen to the call so that you can hear bonus information and gems that are constantly on it. Included in your packet is the Ultimate Marketing Plan book by Dan S. Kennedy, my mentor, the actual book that I used to rebuild my $1 million business after I lost it. Fantastic book. I just think it's just award-winning. It's included in your package. Here, what also is included is the Ultimate Marketing Plan 8-week teleclass workbook. Inside here are all of the assignments with the blank pages so that you can fill in the blanks and fill in your ultimate marketing plan. It's great, it's fantastic, it's concise, but it gets it all done. It's there for you in this book here. Also included is the marketing plan examples. Here, there's one from the winner of our 2008 challenge, which was Katrina Mitchell. And so you can see her actual marketing plan that she's using for the year, as well as my personal marketing plan that I use for Fresh Start Telephone and 2005, where you can just see all the details. There are a couple different formats, but it's great. Also included is your review certificate. This is where if you need help, you can send it in and I will critique your homework and take care of it and help you do things. And then finally, here as a bonus that wasn't mentioned in the sales, but it's the Fresh Start Telephone $71,423 notebook and anatomy of how I built a campaign. Everything that I use, the strategies that I use, plus examples of both the sales letter, of what envelopes I used, how we put the Tootsie Roll there, plus personal notes from me. It's actually fantastic, and I'm just throwing that in as a bonus. So just to recap, what you get is the guide that I use, the Halloween promotion, award-winning, a review certificate where you can turn in your homework, the marketing plan examples workbook so that you know what you need to have in there, the 8-week teleclass worksheet so that you can put all of your information together, the actual book, The Ultimate Marketing Plan by Dan S. Kennedy, the CD of all of the calls so that you have all 8 weeks of calls with questions and answers, and some other little bonuses. Can't wait to help you build your marketing plan and your $1 million business. Thanks.